talking the train. The horns blow. The train rolls along the track. When the train stops, some people get on, other people get off. The train rolls along the track again. It hits towards the big city. It goes faster as it moves along. Sometimes it races forward. Sometimes it rocks side to side. Some people read on the train. Will people rest? Some people talk to each other. Will other would why other talks on their iPhone?
Phone, không phải iPhone.
The train passes field. It crosses river. It passes school and backyards. The train enters a long tunnel. The train arrives in the city. Here tall buildings rise, towers the sky. The train makes one last stop. All the people get off, other people get on. Soon the rain grows along the tracks again. It rolls back through the tunnel. It rolls back past town. The grasses float. The horn blows.